Hey, Bob here. Tuesday afternoon, 3 o'clock. Got this neck all fixed. Friend of mine down the street. Her name is Victoria Love, and she's got 3 children and a husband. And her husband is a fireman, local fireman, and this is his guitar. And sadly, something happened. It fell over and the neck broke. How it happened, no one knows. But being a good neighbor, I took it in and did the repair. Had to remove 4 of the tuning machines and 2 of the bushings for the tuning machines. But anyway, yeah, it's done. And I just have to put it back together tomorrow. Come on now. There we go. Okay, yeah, simple repair, really. Tight bond 1. And, a bit of cleanup. I've already removed the wax paper and this piece of paper underneath. And cleaned up all the glue squeeze out and so on. So just a favor for a friend, quickie job. There we go. Okay, Bob checking out. Hope you're all having a great day.